And then share something exciting with you guys. So, good morning. How are you today? The day has just begun. It's cold. It's very cold. Yeah, I have gotten out of bed. I'm in the living room trying to draw curtains and stuff like that. Right now, I'm going to draw the curtains, open the windows, let some fresh air in. It's very important, very early in the morning. Let some fresh air in, more light. So when I'm done, I'm going to go wake up my son. He has a teacher that comes over at around 8. So I have to get him prepared before that time. He has to take a shower and take his breakfast. So when he's done, I will make his bed. Daddy has just begun, so how are you today? Good morning, Mr. Sun, and how are you today? Daddy has just begun, so how are you today? So, how are you today? Come on, what do you say when we wake up? What's that why you say when we wake up? Good boy, then we get up of late, right? Then we get up of late, right? Yeah, sure, got it. Okay, let's go. It's very good, right? That is what
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed in. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh. Magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't want to show.
Okay, right now I'm going to take a shower, brush my teeth, and then share something exciting with you guys. So stick around. I'm very excited.
Stars and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly.
This part of the video is sponsored. Here is my outfit for the day. The veil, the top and the skirt. It's time for some color. Let me dress up and show you how it looks. This is how I look. I'm loving the outfit. I really feel good. This is from Vintage Collections, Jesco Plaza. Thank you so much for sponsoring this part of the video. They have all kinds of casual, decent clothes, skirts, tops, abayas, veils. They deal in all kinds of things, towels, kids' clothes. You can find them at Jesco Plaza, Wilson Road. If I'm not forgetting, they also have bed sheets. I've bought from them a few times. The bed sheets, they are good, trust me. I'll be leaving all the details in the description box, and when you go out there and you use my name, Janat, you'll be given on a discount. I'm really grateful. Thank you, Vintage Collections. I'm getting sponsored even before making 1K. Alhamdulillah. So please reach out to them and support them. They have good clothes and you will love them. It looks like I took a lot of time in the shower. So everybody has already had their breakfast. I mean, Look at that. But I'm going to have a lemon cake plus the donut that my son left, because if I don't eat it, somebody will end up throwing it away, which I don't want. So I'm going to have it. I like donuts anyway. Plus black tea. I am all for tea. I'm a tea person. Anytime, any day, I'm all for tea. So yeah.
My teacher
Hey.
gave me a pen which doesn't work. It
No?
has no ink.
Okay. Did you thank you to teacher? Did you say thank you to teacher?
I think I forgot.
You forgot?
You forgot.
Okay, tomorrow, don't forget. I'm giving the dining a quick clean. My other daughter does her work from this place. I will also clean the kids' stroke guest bathroom.
Feelings. It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed in. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took 'em all and made 'em yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed. Skipping out, no, I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh. Magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I.
I'm making juice. I add carrots and watermelon plus passion fruits. I like to make it before I start cooking, because if I cook before I make it, most cases I usually forget about it. So I like to make it first before I start with the cooking. No worries, no worries. My hands are clean. Yeah, I cleaned them first.
feet tonight. Oh, I wanna run off, I am dry. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home.
Cooking posho. I'm making pap, posho, ugali. I'm not showing you the whole thing because I kind of think that everyone knows how to make posho. And then I'm boiling peas, green peas. These days I'm into green peas. Like, I don't know, but the kids don't enjoy them that much, so I'm going to make some eggplant on the side. I think I use the stove for that, but for now, multitasking, boiling the peas and making the pap. I'm going to cook the eggplant soup. For those that don't really enjoy the peas that much, they will use this one. Should I use fish masala or should I use this chinzai? Should I, or should I die? Take it boiling. Pinch of salt. I did it. When all the cooking is done, I do my swala and have lunch. You guys are still here watching. Thank you so much. Please go ahead and give this video a like and subscribe if you're new to my channel. So right about now, this girl over here is taking over after lunch. She does the dishes. Her online classes end at around 1, and after lunch, she's the head of the kitchen. For me, I just have to relax and catch up with life or TV and stuff like that. Yeah, that's it. Staying inside all day is not our thing, so most evenings, like around 5 p.m, switch off the TV, just go out and just breathe. If the kids like to play, they play. If they don't, they could just sit around as long as they are outside and breathing some fresh air. Most times I'm out if I'm not too busy. There are times that I want to go out, But if I have some time on me, I also like to go out and, just
Mommy, 1 minute and 1 hour. 1 hour past.
it's time for dinner. But as you know, I don't cook dinner. I always have my leftovers. So I have my posho somewhere. And I also have some eggplants. If anybody is hungry and they want food, that is what they are going to have. Or that's what they always have. If I don't have leftovers, then everybody is resorting to tea or porridge or milk, anything that I'm making. From the snack session, tea and stuff like that, it's right there. I'm going to have to end the video here. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this vlog, and please go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new to my channel. I'm going to do a little folding. Let me show you. I'm going to fold these and put them there, and then I will resume my night routine. The day is done. Until next time, inshallah, God bless all of you. Bye. Yes. What are you saying? I can't hear you. That's just about it. Bye.